In my class, there was this debate that we had very seriously because I brought in a very contentious word topic in the class. So it looks like this. So I drew two legs of a female personnel. So one is very plus size one wearing a flat shoe, and then the other is very slim fit and then with a pointed heel. So I was asking students, so which of these women do you want them to step on your toes to match your feet? So this generated a very severe what argument in the class. But after the entire thing, so we were able to find out which one is actually going to be a very devastating effect on the foot. So when we look at this one, so we made an expressions of pressure which is equal to force per unit area. This is the physics formula that interpreted the effect of these souls on the personnel. So when we look at this, so we saw that pressure is what? Inversely proportional to the surface area, and then pressure is equally directly proportional to the what? To the force. So what that means is that when this person is big and huge with a large with a flat sole, the flat sole means that the surface area of the sole is what? Is very large. So and when the surface area is large, that means that pressure is going to be very small. And then in this case, when the sole is pointed and narrow, so that means that the pressure is going to be what? High. So with this understanding, student was able to understand using physics formula that what? That pressure increases whenever the surface area is very small and then decreases when surface area is large. So in essence, this one is going to do less harm than this because this has a pointed edge and the application is everywhere. So when you look at a razor blade, the razor blade has a very sharp edge, and that is why it can penetrate the skin very fast, like unlike what a blunt knife. The same thing with most of the equipment that we use, like the needle used by nurses, syringes. Okay, so the needle are pointed; they can pierce the skin easily, but when you use a blunt surface, it cannot penetrate the skin. So these are the applications, and then these are the physics word equation that interprets that.